Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking. I don't think you can go on that one. You're not tall enough yet.
I gotta get a drink anyway. Я тоже с тобой хочу.
Do you want to go on this ride?
Well, we can go to the left.
Don't put your face on nothing.
There's a little kangaroo right here. There's one right there. See the little kangaroo?
Look at the little baby. How pretty.
Why isn't that one hopping?
He's probably hot. Oh, here's some more baby ones up here. Oh, and to the right, too. Over here, Mia. Here.
That's a little baby right there.
Yeah, look at the little baby.
He's so cute.
Look how pretty. Aw. Let's see what's across the way. Look at this one, he's scratching.
That's not the kangaroo. I scratch all the time.
Wow. There's some more that are sleeping. Here's a smart one. He's under the shade right over here. See him?
I think there's two there.
Yeah.
I feel like he's not like skinny, but he's not like
Can peacocks fly?
It's time to get up and stomp your feet. To this great foot stomping Transylvanian beat. Start nice and slow.
1, 2,
And speed up more.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Then stomp away. Cause we're about to find out.
So that's the number. Yes, that's the number. Yes, that's the number. The number of the day.
That's the number. That's the number of the day. 4. Now let's stomp 4 times.
Shoulders, knees and toes. Knees and toes. Head. Shoulders, knees and toes. Knees and toes. And eyes and ears and little nose. Head. Shoulders, knees and toes. Knees and toes. 1, 2, 3. Head. Shoulders, knees and toes. Knees and toes. Head. Shoulders, knees and toes. Knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head. Shoulders, knees and toes. Knees and toes. Is that open now? Shoulders, wheels and toes. Wings and toes.
Oh, maybe she'll want to go on the piano first, but use the lever to go up and down.
Yeah, use the lever to go up and down, Pumpkin. There you go. Pull the lever towards you, Mia. Oh,
Left or right?
oh, it's left or right?
I think so.
Move the lever left or right. Move the lever one way or the other.
That's okay. She's scared. Where you going? You all done?
You all done? Huh? Yeah? Oh, okay.
Most items are not allowed. Busch Gardens is not responsible for loss or damage. Sit back and enjoy your ride on air. As your car comes to a complete stop, gather all personal belongings. Watch your step as you exit to the left and down the ramp. Thank you and enjoy.
Scanning platform. Platform clear dispatching.
To the air rover. Watch your step as you enter the car. One seat will lower a lap bar down to your waist. Secure all loose articles such as hats and glasses. Sit upright, hold them tight and remain seated.
Welcome back, Better.
Car comes to a complete stop. Gather all
The water.
He's looking at us. What are you?
He's trying to get out. He's trying to get out.
He's like, help me, help me, help me. He doesn't have his hands that way. If he moves them the other way, I don't know. Why is he?
He knows I'm taking a picture, huh?
He's posing for a picture like Mia does.
Wait, everyone stop moving.
Here he comes.
because he cooled off. Here he comes. He's a little sneaker, huh?
Yeah, huh?
Yeah, big, look at them digging.
Why are they digging?
Maybe to be cool.
You can't just go over there. I mean, okay.
Whoa.
In that corner. In the cave. In the cave.
I don't see nothing in the cave.
No,
There's
nothing
a
there.
little doorway though.
That is a doorway.
Right there. I was looking at the road. I was looking at the road. I was looking at these. I didn't know what they were.
It's all you. Can you believe it? Huh? Yeah, but that turtle. Yeah, he's probably right.
Look, he's pooped out.
He's tired.
I know they do. There's a lot of them,
It's leaking.
They live in
Over here?
Alright, hello everyone. I hope everyone's having a great day here at Busch Gardens. Thank you for coming to our alligator keeper chat. My name is Callie. I'm one of the keepers here on the reptile team. So I'm joined today by Trey, and I'm joined by 7 of our male American alligators. We have 7 in here, and you can see all 7 right now. I got 4 on land, and then 3 of my boys right here up front in the water. So, like I said, these are the American alligator. We have all males here. Males are going to be, pretty much the only difference between the sexes is that males are going to be much bigger than the females. So they're going to usually be about 10 to 12